power rule applies whether they're integers or fractions. So if you want to evaluate the derivative of each piece, the 4/3 comes down and multiplies, and then the power gets reduced by 1. The negative 3/4 comes down and multiplies, so that's 3/2 x, and then you reduce it by 1. So negative 3/4 subtracted by 4/4. You're reducing it by 1, so negative 3/4 subtracted by 1 makes negative 7/4. And then the derivative of a constant is just 0, right? Okay, that's it. So this is just 0. This is all you really need to type in. So I would simplify a little bit first. This is the same thing as the square root of 49 times the square root of x to the negative 9th. So the square root of 49 is 7. Now, the square root of x to the negative 9th, that's the same thing as x to the negative 9/2. Because a square root means an exponent of 1/2. And a power on top of a power multiplies. So negative 9 times 1/2 makes negative 9/2. And when you evaluate this derivative, I don't know if this has come up yet, but since the derivative is a linear operator, you can just factor out the constant. That's not going to affect what happens. And then the negative 9/2 comes down and multiplies. So it's negative 63 over 2x. That gets reduced by 1. So negative 9/2 subtracted by 1. That's negative 9/2 subtracted by 2 over 2, so that makes negative 11/2.